Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the controls menu on our watch, and to open the controls menu simply press and hold the light button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. And after the menu appears on the screen, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through this menu until you see or until you select the option called Do Not Disturb. And as you can see, it's turned off. It says off right here. And to turn it on, to enable the mode, simply press the start button and the mode will be enabled. The icon will change the color. Also, it will say Do Not Disturb on. And after you enable the mode, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. On some of the watch faces, you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, press the start button. It will say off. Basically, on the Do Not Disturb mode option, the icon will change the color and also it will be crossed out, which means that the mode is disabled. And on the watch face, the icon will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. So that's how you enable and how you disable the mode. You can also do it through the settings. To do it, let's press and hold the up button to open the menu. And once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the system option and then press the start button to enter. Now let's scroll through the menu, find the option called Do Not Disturb, select it and press start button. And here we have the option called status. If you want to turn on the mode, press start button to flick it on. Once it says on, the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, simply press the start button to disable it like this. You can also turn on and off the during sleep Do Not Disturb mode by scrolling down and pressing the start button. This mode is useful if you have the bedtime set up on your watch, and basically it will turn on automatically the Do Not Disturb mode when you go to sleep and turn it off when you wake up. Okay. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.